Main points. About 60 about 60% of the land of our country is in use of agriculture. There are two main agriculture seasons in our country.
The season from June to October is called the Kharif season. In this season, the crops are watered mainly by the rain.
The season from October to March is the Rabi season. In the seasons, rainwater that has sugared into the soil. The returning monsoon and drip are the sources of water for the crops.
In addition, some crops are grown from March to June. These are called summer crops.
Agriculture work. Every farmer wishes to get a good harvest. A good harvest provides a good income, fertile lands, good quality seed and fertilizers, and availability of water and essentials for a good harvest. It is also necessary to carry out the task of tilling the land. The crop in the fields must be protected and the harvested crop must also be stored safely. All of importance.
In the traditional method of agriculture, plowing, tilling, etc., were done with the help of oxen, a moat, a huge leather bag driven with the help of oxen used to draw water from the well. Harvesting, threshing, etc., was done by the members of the farmer family themselves with the help of oxen. However, farmers now carry out all these tasks with the help of machines.
Improved seeds. Early it was customary to price the seeds one harvest of sowing in the next season. Those seeds did not have a high yield. Nowadays, improved seeds are developed through research. They are available in the market for every crop such as jawar, rice, groundnut, wheat, etc.
Crops grow well if they are watered at the right time. Water from rivers, lakes, and wells is used for irrigation. In addition to rainwater, greater quantities of water are stored by building dams and bunds on rivers to obstruct the flow of water downstream.
Crops were traditionally watered through canals. However, much water from the canals is lost to evaporation and seepage into the ground. Now, currently, improved methods of irrigation are used, which provides enough water to the plants, and at the same time have to save a lot of water.
Drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation are two of these modern methods. The drip irrigation method makes use of pipes with holes. This ensures that the required amount of water drips only near the plant. Thus, full use is made of the available water. Sprinkle irrigation makes use of sprinkles of different sizes that spray water directly on plants.
If the same crops are grown repeatedly in the fields, the fertilizer of the soil decreases. Then we have to add fertilizers to the soil to restore it productively. Fertilizers provide to required nutrient substance to the crops. There are two kinds of fertilizer, natural and chemical.
Natural fertilizers are called manures. They are obtained from materials available in nature like green waste and animal dung.
Chemical or artificial fertilizers are mixture of different chemical substances in specific properties useful for agriculture.
However, the harmful effects of the use of these fertilizers soon become clear. The overuse of chemical fertilizer lead to accumulation of excessive chemical in the soil. This lowers the fertility of the soil and reduce its productivity.
Overwatering makes the land slide and follow. This is seen especially in the parts where water is available in plenty, as for example near dams or on river banks.
Protection of crops. Disease and pest attacks can damage crops in the field. As a remedy, insecticide and pesticides are sprayed on crops, or certain chemicals are rubbed on the seed before sowing.
Storage of grain. Storing the harvest crop safely in as importance as increasing the production.
The grain is dried well in the sun and filled in sacks. The sacks are then stocked in the house, or after selling in warehouses or shop. Stored grain can get damaged in two ways. Mice, rats, and insects can spoil the grain to a great extent. Also, if the grain is stored in a closed and damp space, it catches fungus and become unfit for eating.
To prevent such damage by pests, chemicals are sprayed at the place of storage or all around it. Neem leaves are mixed in the grain. Some protective chemicals that can be mixed with the grain are also available in the market. Their smell repels insects. Storage places are always kept dry and airly to prevent fungus formation.
You are familiar with bulbs of plants such as onions and garlic, and tubs such as potatoes, gingers, etc. They are all parts of the stem of the plant. Radishes, sweet potatoes, beetroot are the root of their plant. These plants store food in their stem or root.
Insects like ants turn food. Bees collectively nectar from flowers and store in it a honeycomb in the forms of honey. Squirrels store seeds because these animals store food. It is available to them.
Food security.
Food security. Food is a basic need. Many countries have made laws to ensure that every person gets sufficient food according to their needs. These laws are known as food security laws. In 2013, our country to enact a food security law. It has made it possible to fight ills like malnutrition, starvation of and that's due to hunger.
Thank you.
Thank you.